Hello and welcome to my first grease pencil beginner video. In this video you will see some tips about the draw, fill, erase and cutter tools. Let's start with the draw tool. I simply write here test with the mouse button. When you click Alt you can draw straight lines. I'm using here a Wacom tablet. When you click Shift then it generates a follow point for your mouse cursor and your lines will be smoothed when you paint. So next we come to the fill tool. I draw a circle here quick when it's closed and here a circle when it's not closed. Set here a quick fill material. Let's take blue tool. So now when you click fill and you click here in the circle, it fills out perfectly. But when you here click the fill tool again and it fills the whole area what you can see. Here now comes the Alt, you press Alt and draw the line where you want to close it and click to fill and it fills out the circle where we have painted the line. So now we go to the erase and cutter tool. Set this back here to the black outline. So I paint here again test to show you the difference between these two tools. The main difference between these two is with the erase tool you set the opacity from 1 to 0 and when you set the strength it erases the stroke, and with the cutter tool you cut out the edges or the points what you have drawn. So you can see when you select with the lasso tool it deletes the points. You can see this here in the edit mode. Select all. I hope you can see this here in the points. You can see the points are already there because the opacity is not the value 0. And here every time when you select something with the lasso tool it deletes the points. When you set the strength in the erase tool to 1, then when the opacity is down to 0 it deletes the points too. And here with the cutter tool it deletes the points immediately. So I hope you like my first video for beginners. Write in the comments a message if I should improve something. If you want to see more of my videos then leave me a like or subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.